Hi, welcome to Get FitNet. Over the course of the next few days, we're going to talk about how to improve your gait for runners, walkers, and hikers, and really just for anybody. They're really simple exercises. Today, we're just going to introduce just a few concepts. We're going to talk about, obviously, when you walk, when you run, or you hike, you have a swing phase and you have a stance phase. And it goes a lot faster than that, and you might not realize that when you enter the stance phase, you may not be cognizant of where your ankle and your feet are making contact with the ground, but it can make a difference as it moves up your body because obviously you're connected. So what you're doing with your foot and your ankle has an impact on your knees and your hips. And in the future, you may wonder, why are my knees hurting? Why are my hips hurting? Well, it may have to do with the way you're making contact with the ground in that stance phase. You may be overpronating, you may be underpronating. Overpronating means you're kind of rolling your ankle in. That's an exaggeration. Or you may be underpronating, rolling your ankle out and in when you make contact with the ground. And we're going to discuss some exercises tomorrow in the video on what to do with your foot and your ankle. All right,